How to download Google Chrome on laptop and PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Bing. In here, search Google Chrome app. After you search Google Chrome app, click on the first link that pops up, which is the official Google Chrome website. Do not download from any other website which is not official Google Chrome website. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on download and then your Google Chrome will be downloaded. Click on the downloaded file and Google Chrome will open soon after all the installation process is done. And after you download it, you can simply log into your account and you're all good to go. This is how to download Google Chrome on laptop and PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.